Setting up Xero Payroll in 2025 involves a multi-step process that ensures all your company and employee information, as well as statutory and tax requirements, are correctly configured. The specific details may vary slightly depending on your location, e.g. UK, Australia, New Zealand, but the general steps are similar. 1. Activate Payroll in Xero. First, you need to enable the payroll feature within your Xero account. This often requires having a pricing plan that includes payroll. You can typically find this option under the Payroll menu and Overview. 2. Enter company and employee information. This is a crucial step where you provide the foundational data for your payroll. You'll need to input company details, your company's legal name, address, and contact information, your employer tax details, such as your pay-as-you-earn credentials for the UK, or IRD, Inland Revenue Department number for New Zealand, or ABN, Australian Business Number for Australia, your business's bank account for wage payments, employee details, personal and contact information for each employee, name, address, email, employment details, start date, job title, and employment basis, full-time, part-time, casual. Tax information including their tax code and national insurance NI number UK, or IRD number NZ, or tax file number TFN AU. Bank account details for paying their wages. 3. Configure payroll settings and calendars. Next, you'll define how your payroll will be processed. This includes pay frequencies. Set up your pay calendars, such as weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. You'll define the start date of the pay period and the first payment date. Payroll accounts. Link your payroll liabilities and expenses to the correct accounts in your chart of accounts. Pay items. Set up different types of pay items, such as earnings, e.g. regular pay, overtime, deductions, e.g. student loans and reimbursements. Leave types. Configure leave policies and accrual details for different types of leave, such as annual leave and sick leave. 4. Connect with tax authorities and set up pensions. For compliance, you'll need to link your Xero account with the relevant government bodies. Tax authorities. Connect Xero to HMRC in the UK, ATO in Australia, or IR in New Zealand to automate tax reporting and submissions, e.g. FPS and EPS submissions. Pensions. Set up your workplace pension scheme, e.g. Nest or the People's Pension in the UK, to handle auto-enrollment and contribution calculations. 5. Process your first pay run. Once all the information is configured, you can process your first pay run. Enter hours and leave. Input the hours worked and any leave taken for each employee. Xero will use this to calculate gross pay. Review calculations. Xero will automatically calculate taxes, NI contributions, and pension contributions. It's essential to review these calculations for accuracy. Approve and pay. Once you are satisfied with the calculations, you can approve the pay run. Xero can then facilitate the payment of wages to employees and generate payslips, which can be shared with employees via the Xero Me app.